Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. A year ago, I had the opportunity to meet Latavia, and Latavia, you came into this office super nervous, but super excited knowing that you were taking a step in the right direction. And now I get to see you 1 year later. You look absolutely amazing. Tell us about your experience.
Thank you so much, Dr. Siegel and the team. A year ago, I came into the office. I was kind of scared because I've been dealing with my edges being missing for so long growing up. I used to wear wigs, cover-ups. I just hidden from everybody, and my self-confidence was very low. I ended up looking on a website, and I found Dr. Siegel and his team and a lot of testimonies that can get your hair to grow back. So I was excited about that. I made an appointment. I came in and met the team, and we started the procedure process. I was skeptical at first, but after months of waiting and watching the hair grow back, I was really amazed at my results, and I have my confidence back. I can wear my ponytails, and I'm just so grateful and so thankful for Dr. Siegel and his amazing team.
We did have a fun time that day. It was just relaxing. Tell us, what did we do during that day?
It was very relaxing. Made me feel like I was at home. They played the music. I was watching TV. They offered me snacks and drinks and was talking to me along the way. They made me feel so comfortable that, it was easy to just let my hair down literally and just relax. Awesome team.
And now, a year later, you can pretty much do anything you want with your hair?
Yes. A year later, my confidence is back. I'm wearing ponytails that I never thought I would wear. Everybody's just telling me how my hair looks so beautiful. I'm just so amazed because after all of these years with having no edges and hiding them, and my self-confidence was so low, to wear a ponytail and walk around, it's amazing. I love it.
Well, I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick view of the sides, which is the main area that we worked in. And we're going to put some before and after pictures side by side on this video. And Latavia, I just want you to know I'm so happy that you found time to come back made time to come back and visit me in the office. The team, we love what we do here, and we look forward to these 1 year follow-ups because we really put our heart and soul into each surgery. And Latavia, I'm so happy for you. I'm happy that you have your confidence back, and you have my personal cell phone number, so
Yes.
if you ever need anything, and you are here, so if you ever need to stop in and just say hi, we're open door policy, and congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.